Right, thank you. I'm Jonathan Arkush. I'm the president of the British Jewish community and also a vice president of the World Jewish Congress, which is the overarching body for world Jewish communities. I'm very pleased to be here because, apart from it being my first visit to Reykjavik, I think it's very important that people have been brought together to discuss this issue, because so far, from the outside, it looks to me that the debate about the proposed ban on circumcision has not been fully informed. The bill itself in Parliament comes with some explanatory notes, which I've read in translation, and they're quite misleading. And I'm very worried that the debate is proceeding on the wrong basis. I also think it's important that public opinion in Iceland hears both sides of the argument.
When you say that you find it misleading, do you have any understanding about the comments that this has to do with the right of the child and the right to protect the body of the child?
But you know, it's incredibly insulting to say about Jewish people or Muslims that we don't care about our children. All our biblical laws, and of course you share the same heritage of the same Bible, are entirely to improve human rights. Now, there is a right which is just as important as the right of the child, the right of freedom of religion and belief. And I fear that this debate has got us too much on what are supposed to be the rights of the child, but ignore another fundamental human rights. Now, it's not unusual that two rights might come into supposed tension. The reality is, if you perform a circumcision on an infant male, the procedure is extremely minor. If it's properly regulated, as it is in Western countries, any risks of harm are absolutely vanishingly small. As I said in my contribution earlier, if you take your child on a skiing holiday, you're putting them at more risk than this procedure. And of course, as the World Health Organization has emphasized, the procedure actually comes with some significant health benefits. I accept in a Western country the health benefits are not as great as they are in an undeveloped country, but they're still there. So I don't think this is an issue about the rights of the child at all, actually. I think that's a profound misconception that this conference, I hope, will correct.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay.